Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a word problem from the ECT math test that involves arithmetic. As in the previous videos, first I'm going to walk you through this problem to ensure you understand the process, and then I'm going to show you how to solve it quickly on the test day. Okay, let's begin. Today we have a word problem which typically takes more than 1 minute to solve. If you have watched my previous videos, you already know that by saving time on easier questions, you can allocate more time to tackle text problems. Feel free to pause this video and read the problem at your own pace. Even better, try solving the problem on your own before continuing with the video and compare your solutions with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. At Happy Harvest Market, the cost of a carton of blueberries changes based on the number of cartons bought at once, as shown in the table below. In 2 visits to Happy Harvest Market this week, Lucy purchased 4 cartons of blueberries on Tuesday and 5 cartons of blueberries on Thursday. How much money would Lucy have saved if she had instead bought 9 cartons of blueberries in a single visit on Tuesday? Well, Lucy bought 4 cartons of blueberries, which means she paid $4.50 per carton. And on another day, she bought 5 cartons of blueberries, which means she paid $4.20 per carton. We want to know how much money she would have saved if she had instead bought 9 cartons of blueberries in a single visit, which means if she had instead paid $3.90 per carton. So we should calculate the difference between what Lucy has already paid and what she would have paid by buying 9 cartons at once, which means we should calculate 4 times $4.50 plus 5 times $4.20, that's what she has already paid, minus 9 times $3.90, the amount she would have paid by buying 9 cartons at once. If we evaluate this expression using a calculator, we get $3.90, and that's it. The answer is C. Great. On the test day, you can save time by writing only the last expression, which calculates the difference between what Lucy has already paid and what she would have paid by buying 9 cartons at once. Now, let's solve the problem once more. As always, first you should determine what you are being asked for. In this case, how much money would Lucy have saved if she had instead bought 9 cartons of blueberries in a single visit on Tuesday? We know that the cost of a carton changes based on the number of cartons bought at once, as shown in the table. In 2 visits, Lucy purchased 4 cartons on one day and 5 cartons on another day. So we should calculate 4 times $4.50 plus 5 times $4.20 minus 9 times $3.90. If we evaluate this expression using a calculator, we get $3.90, and that's it. The answer is C. Great. By learning to write down only the most crucial step, you can save a significant amount of time on the test day. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.